Introducing Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Hit the road.
We built S21 Ultra with our most powerful processor, amazing display, and of course, our incredible pro-grade camera, so you never miss a single moment. We built studio-quality camera gear right into the device. Our 4 cutting-edge lenses give you an enhanced visual experience and open up a world of possibilities. With the support of precise laser autofocus, the 108-megapixel wide lens broadens the scope of what you can capture. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens adds more detail to every picture you take. And with our enhanced AI, the brand-new dual telelens system creates a breakthrough in zoom quality. Our hardware and software teams work together to build a camera experience unlike any other. This is a true pro camera, and we're so excited to tell you more about it.
We carry our smartphones all the time, wherever we go. Whether posing for a family portrait, capturing incredible landscapes, or even something unexpected, we naturally reach for our smartphones. And in all of these moments, we want to capture the best, high-quality photos and videos every time. But this can be difficult, depending on the environment and lighting conditions. At Samsung, our goal is to help everyone take pro-quality photos and videos, no matter the environment. And it all starts with our most advanced image sensor.
The Galaxy S21 Ultra's powerful camera experience starts with its upgraded 108-megapixel image sensor. It's optimized to elevate image quality for various shooting environments. In situations with ample lighting, Remosaic technology maximizes resolution to produce stunning photos by rearranging and optimizing all of the camera's 108 million pixels according to RGB Bayer patterns. The Galaxy S21 Ultra's new Remosaic algorithm uses 2 times more pixels than before to create images with more clarity, detail, and sense of texture. Low light situations provide a more challenging environment. When pixels do not receive enough light, images produce noise, irregular, grainy spots that distort the image. Enter groundbreaking Nona binning technology. At the sensor stage, a set of 9 pixels are combined into one larger pixel, increasing each pixel's surface area for capturing light. This ensures the sensor gets enough light to produce bright, detailed photos, even in darker environments, and in extreme darkness, when even the human eye struggles to see. The S21 Ultra sensor uses AI for a powerful night mode experience. With one press of the shutter, multiple frames are processed at incredible speeds to eliminate noise and blur. Then, countless reams of data collected by the sensor are processed by an internal AI ISP algorithm to identify and preserve the subject's true shape and color tone. This is possible even in conditions of extreme darkness under 0.1 lux. The results are stunning. In the case of backlighting, especially when the subject is in motion, groundbreaking 12-bit HDR combines 2 simultaneously captured 10-bit frames into a single 12-bit output. This process not only eliminates motion blur, but also produces dynamic range 3 times wider than that of 10-bit color.
Extraordinary hardware sets the foundation to capture professional quality images in any situation. But hardware is only half the story. Powerful software maximizes the strengths and benefits of our incredible hardware. Zoom photography is one area where this harmony of hardware and software turns your picture into a masterpiece. Let's say you are on a hike and you come across an amazing view, but you can't actually get to the other side. What would you do? Would you give up? Well, you don't need to, because our space zoom will take you there. These are the kinds of moments that inspire our technology. It is this tight integration of innovative hardware and powerful software that allows us to realize our vision for Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Space zoom on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is a turning point in the zoom experience, offering superb clarity between 1 and 100 times zoom. To improve image quality in the 1 to 10 times zoom range, innovative dual zoom combines mid-range 3 times optical zoom with long-distance 10 times optical zoom to provide an optimized and balanced range of choices. But fitting 10 times optical zoom into the slim body of a smartphone is not easy. To make this possible, 2 precise folds are incorporated into the lens design to minimize thickness and length. Mirrors direct light across sharp angles and pathways to produce pro-level magnification without the need for more lens equipment. The end result is a powerful yet compact double-folded lens that fits perfectly within a small space. From 10 to 100 times zoom, image quality is boosted by powerful super-resolution AI. At one push of the shutter, up to 20 frames are captured and processed at instantaneous speeds. Advanced AI then evaluates and corrects thousands of fine details to produce detailed images even at high magnification levels. And when shooting at high magnifications, Zoom Lock uses intelligent software to set the image in place so you can shoot with minimal shake. The Galaxy S21 Ultra provides hardware and software excellence up to 100 times zoom, but the zoom experience covers more than just long-distance shooting. The 4-lens optical system provides a range of optimized focal lengths, including one for intense macro shots. The S21 Ultra's camera uses its laser autofocus sensor to measure the distance between lens and subject in real time. If an object within 30 centimeters is detected, the camera automatically switches to the new 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, now with autofocus, and applies optimal macro settings for extreme close-ups up to 5 centimeters in distance. Combining top-of-the-line hardware with groundbreaking, newly evolved software, the Galaxy S21 Ultra captures incredible details, all with just a press of the shutter.
You'll be able to capture incredible 12-bit RAW files in Pro Mode. This phone has 3 times more dynamic range than photos on the S20, so you won't miss a single detail. But your photos are just the beginning. S21 Ultra offers the best quality video ever on a smartphone.
Our S21 Ultra will let you shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second with every lens on your phone. Front, tele, wide, and ultra-wide lens alike.
Whether you're directing a film or taking photos of your family, the content you capture with S21 Ultra will be incredible. And you'll be able to store it effortlessly thanks to Microsoft OneDrive integration. If you start filming a masterpiece on your phone, you can upload it to OneDrive and edit your work from your PC. Galaxy S21 Ultra is a bold device that delivers the best of the best. And we designed it to look just as bold and iconic, from its sleek frame to its stunning matte finish. It's a masterstroke in design. And we created a striking color to match. Introducing
Unforgettable and unapologetic. This is Galaxy S21's Phantom Black.
Phantom Black is our boldest color yet for the most advanced, innovative phone we've ever made. S21 Ultra is an epic experience in and of itself. That best-in-class experience continues with S21 Ultra's display. From shooting incredible videos to watching and sharing them, this display lets us do all the things we love. The Galaxy S21 series boasts intelligent displays that save power and optimize your viewing experience. And S21 Ultra is our most intelligent display yet. We found an organic structure that sets the groundwork of our AMOLED display, and we've applied this newly discovered material to S21 Ultra. With this innovation, we've managed to reduce power consumption in this device, even as we provide an improved viewing experience in high resolution. As you switch between videos or pause to check emails, your phone will automatically shift between 10 and 120 Hz to optimize your viewing experience. At the same time, our improved, super smooth scrolling experience in WQHD+ resolution will keep up with you. You'll get all these capabilities in the brightest, most vivid display we've ever built in a smartphone. This powerful device has a 6.8-inch display with a peak brightness of 1,500 nits. With a dynamic AMOLED 2X screen on our S21 Ultra, you'll have our most stunning display experience yet. 25% brighter than Galaxy S20 Ultra, with 50% more contrast and 100% color volume for more accurate, realistic color. S21 Ultra's display is our most advanced ever, and we made sure every part of your experience will match it. That's why we're introducing Wacom technology to S21 Ultra and making it the first ever S-Series device compatible with the S Pen. For all the Galaxy Note users out there, you know that the S Pen is more than just a pen. It puts precision at your fingertips, so you can take charge of your mobile experience. You can use it to write, draw, and make more precise edits. We're introducing two new independent S Pens today. The standard model, now bigger with a more comfortable grip, and the more advanced S Pen Pro. The S Pen Pro lets you take advantage of all the great Bluetooth features you've come to love, like using air actions to snap a photo remotely, control your music player, or click through a presentation. With just the S Pen Pro, you'll be able to use all these amazing features across our latest S Pen-supported Galaxy devices. The S Pen for S21 Ultra will be available at launch, and the S Pen Pro will be available later this year. We're working with industry-leading pen companies to design S Pen and S Pen Pro models that show off your style. S21 Ultra is the only model in the S21 series compatible with the S Pen, because S21 Ultra is crafted to be extraordinary at every level, with unrivaled performance, design, and capabilities.
You can get your very own Ultra device on January 29th for $11.99, and you'll be able to make it truly your own and choose among 3 gorgeous backplate colors that match the unique camera deco pattern. If you choose the S21 Plus, you can pick between 2 stunning colors with a delicate rose gold shell. These colors will be available exclusively from Samsung.com in select countries. However you personalize your phone, it will be a one-of-a-kind device to give you one-of-a-kind experiences.
S21 Ultra will help you stay productive and embrace brand new adventures in 2021.
From the phantom black finish in our brightest, smartest display, to cameras powered by a revolutionary sensor and our most powerful chip, to our first ever S Pen compatibility on a Galaxy S device, S21 Ultra charts a new course in the mobile category to make your every experience better.